multifunctional Pliers Multitool claw hammer is available for just $20.01 and is built from durable stainless steel with a tough, corrosion-resistant finish, ensuring long-lasting performance. This precision-crafted tool is small, foldable, and easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or home use. Its multifunctional design combines a mini hammer, pliers, clamps, bottle opener, screwdriver bits, and a nail puller, giving you 7 tools in one compact unit. Whether you're setting up tents while camping, tackling DIY repairs at home, or handling emergencies on the go, this portable tool has you covered. Lightweight, versatile, and practical, it also makes a unique gift for brothers, husbands, or close friends who love outdoor survival or handy gadgets. The 68-in-1 precision electric screwdriver set is priced at just $28.19, making it a powerful and affordable tool for everyday repairs. It features a brushless motor with 5 adjustable torque settings, giving you precise control whether you're working on delicate electronics or tougher screws. This kit includes 64 magnetic bits covering multiple categories, so you always have the right tool for phones, laptops, cameras, and more. Powered by a 3.6-volt rechargeable battery, it can handle up to 400 screws on a single charge, and the Type-C port makes recharging quick and easy. It also comes with a magnetic storage case, tweezers, and a pry tool for added convenience. Perfect for DIY repairs, tech maintenance, and professional use, this all-in-one screwdriver set makes every job faster, easier, and more precise. The 3-in-1 laser rangefinder tape measure is priced at $51.14 and combines a laser meter, tape measure, and cross-line level into one powerful tool. It delivers high precision with up to 60 meters of laser measurement and an accuracy of around 2 to 3 millimeters, making it far more reliable than traditional tape measures. The built-in magnetic design lets you attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free use, while the backlit LCD screen ensures clear readings even in low light conditions. It also supports multiple units, area and volume calculations, and even Pythagorean measurements for complex jobs. Perfect for construction, home renovation, and interior projects, this all-in-one measuring tool saves time, improves accuracy, and makes every measurement faster and easier. The universal multifunctional diagonal pliers are priced at just $22.98 and are a must-have tool for both home and professional use. Built from high-strength CRV alloy steel, these pliers are heat-treated for maximum durability and long-lasting sharpness even after thousands of cuts. They're designed for multiple tasks including cutting, stripping, crimping, and gripping various types of wires like copper, aluminum, and cables. The precision jaws provide strong cutting force and accurate results, while the ergonomic PP and TPR handle ensures a comfortable non-slip grip. Perfect for electricians, DIY repairs, and everyday toolbox use, these pliers deliver powerful performance, reliability, and efficiency in one compact tool. The AirAJ adjustable wrench is priced at just $7, making it an affordable and essential tool for any toolbox. Made from durable chromium vanadium steel, this wrench is precision forged for high strength and long-lasting performance. It features a wide-opening adjustable jaw, allowing you to handle different sizes of nuts and bolts with ease. The smooth turbine design ensures quick adjustments, while the laser-etched scale helps you measure accurately on the go. With its non-slip grip and multifunctional design, it's perfect for plumbing repairs, household fixes, and general maintenance work. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this wrench delivers solid performance at an unbeatable price. The LAOA folding utility knife is priced at just $5.33, offering a powerful and compact cutting tool for everyday use. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, it features a foldable design with a protective sheath for safe storage and easy carrying. The sharp SK2 blade delivers precise and efficient cutting, while the 3 adjustable angles, 180, 135, and 90 degrees give you flexibility for different tasks. It also includes built-in storage for 2 extra blades, so you're always ready to work. With its non-slip ergonomic handle and cord cutter design, it's perfect for cutting carton, leather cloth, and more. Reliable, safe, and versatile, this knife is a must-have for DIY and professional use. The Deli High Precision Spirit Level is priced at $15.36 and is a reliable tool for accurate leveling in any project. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, it offers high precision with an accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter, ensuring clean and professional results. This level features 3 measurement modes: horizontal, vertical, and 45 degrees, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. The strong magnetic base allows it to attach securely to metal surfaces for hands-free use, while the shockproof TPR ends protect it from drops. With bright, easy-to-read bubbles, even in low light, it's ideal for construction, home renovation, and DIY projects. Durable, precise, and easy to use, this tool is a must-have for every toolbox. The Liberaton 14-piece T-handle Allen wrench set is priced at $47.77 and includes both metric and SAE sizes for versatile use. Made from durable CRV steel with an ergonomic handle, it delivers strong torque and comfortable grip, perfect for bike, auto, and DIY repairs. The 10mm brushless cordless drill is priced at $49.40 and is designed for powerful and efficient performance. It features a high-performance brushless motor that delivers more power, longer life, and reduced noise. With 2 speed settings up to 2,200 RPM and variable speed control, you get precise drilling and driving for different tasks. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy, while the lightweight ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. A built-in LED light helps you work in dark spaces. Perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and professional use, this drill offers power, control, and convenience in one compact tool. The Tolza 35-piece drill bit set is priced at $23.75 and gives you everything you need in one compact kit. It includes metal, wood, and stone drill bits, along with screwdriver bits, sockets, and an extension bar for versatile use. The precision wood bits feature a sharp center point for clean, accurate drilling, while the hardened screwdriver bits ensure a secure fit with minimal wear. It also comes with a deburring tool for smooth, safe finishes after drilling. Packed in a portable storage case, this set is perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, and workshop use, making every job easier and more efficient. The 10-piece 1/2-inch drive impact socket set is priced at $26.68 and is built for high-performance repair work. Made from durable CRV steel with a corrosion-resistant black oxide finish, these sockets are designed to handle high torque and heavy impact use. The 6-point deep socket design provides a strong grip on fasteners, reducing rounding and improving efficiency. This set includes essential metric sizes from 8mm to 24mm, making it perfect for automotive, industrial, and home repairs. Clearly marked sizes ensure quick identification, while the sturdy storage case keeps everything organized. Reliable, durable, and versatile, this socket set is a must-have for any toolbox. The diagonal carbon steel cutting pliers are priced at just $2.57, making them an affordable and essential tool for precision work. Built with hardened 50 steel jaws, they offer better durability and wear resistance compared to standard pliers. The sharp cutting edges are perfect for trimming wires, small metal parts, plastics, and electronic components with clean and accurate results. A spring-loaded design with automatic rebound makes operations smooth and effortless, while the 45-degree angled head allows easy access in tight spaces. With a lightweight build and anti-slip comfortable grip, these pliers are ideal for electronics repair, DIY projects, jewelry making, and more. Reliable, compact, and easy to use, they're a great addition to any toolkit. The electric air pressure drain unclogger tool is priced at $64.21 and offers a powerful solution for clearing blocked drains quickly. Built with a durable stainless steel body, it uses high-pressure air to remove clogs in toilets, sinks, and floor drains with just one press. The tool features multiple interchangeable heads for different uses, along with a real-time pressure gauge so you can adjust power based on the blockage. Its one-touch operation makes it simple and efficient, while the pressure release trigger ensures safe use. Perfect for home maintenance, this tool saves time, effort, and eliminates the need for messy manual plunging. The heavy-duty pipe pliers are priced at $17.13 and are built for tough plumbing and industrial tasks. Made from high-carbon steel with integral forging, these pliers deliver high strength, durability, and long service life. The extra wide opening allows you to grip pipes of various sizes, while the hardened and tempered jaws ensure strong, non-slip clamping with maximum torque. A wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant coating protects the tool in harsh working environments. Designed for secure handling and reliable performance, these pliers are perfect for pipe installation, removal, and general repair work. Strong, durable, and easy to use, they're a must-have for professionals and DIY users alike. The electric cordless caulking gun is priced at $64.21 and is designed to make sealing jobs faster and easier. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this tool eliminates the need for manual squeezing, reducing hand fatigue during long projects. It features a 4-speed control dial, allowing you to adjust the flow from slow to fast for smooth and consistent application. The built-in anti-drip function automatically stops excess sealant, keeping your workspace clean. An LED light also helps you work in low-light areas. Perfect for bathrooms, windows, doors, and large ceiling tasks. This tool delivers precision, comfort, and efficiency every time.